Video I am showing you guys the quickest and fastest way to open a very simple AdSense account using the Google. So I'm right in my browser, so we can go. A big tragedy for Kenya. So okay, so quickest way to open an AdSense account. So just go to Google and type AdSense. So I'm just going to type AdSense. Yeah, but AdSense is already there. So I'm just going to type AdSense. So I'll say AdSense for my AdSense. So the first web provided by Google, AdSense, google.com start. So and more than a million from sites. And more than a million, bro. What is that? Okay, so this is Google AdSense. Okay, so this is Google AdSense. Let's get started. 2 million people have chosen AdSense. See why? So these are main reasons why guys choose AdSense. I can monetize their websites and all of that stuff. So okay, so the next thing is just press get started. So it's actually the easiest thing to do around. So choose an account. Here it is. Choose an account. I already have like 2 AdSense accounts, and I mainly use one. My main AdSense account is the first one. So the second one is just I created it like 2 days ago. So once you do that, you can press, if you don't have an AdSense account, you can just press create. To say create. So this I'm just using another account. So I have 2 emails. I don't want to create another one. So once you press that, it will just ask you for your email. Then you put your email. Once you do that, you do your password. Once you put your password, then you're done. You can now create your account with that. So you just press create and it will tell you to connect your site. It will tell you to connect your site. So once you just created it, tell you to connect your site. So I don't want to do the creation because I don't have another email. So yeah, let me open one of them. So assuming we've done creating our AdSense account, so this is our AdSense account. So I can't show you anything from this AdSense or whatever. Up to different types of things. So you can go to ads. So just showing you how to create AdSense account. I can't tell you a lot of things from this because I barely use AdSense account. Just started using it last year. But more of guys, when you do AdSense, then do auto ads on blah blah blah. So we just created another website around 5 days ago. We've just made like 2 pages websites and made a new AdSense account. So that's what I just did, an application like 2 hours ago after creating that, because my main website I don't put ads. I did not put ads on my main website because I don't like a lot of ads on my main website. So this is our new website that we created. It's already linked and we already applied it. So we are just waiting. See, that is getting ready. So anyway, this is just a setup account because it's not my main website. So that is just AdSense account. So what's more about AdSense account? So privacy and messaging. Okay, those are just set up. So how do AdSense pay you guys? So like, let me show you the payment info from the AdSense. So like, okay, so this is our AdSense payment account. So we'll create an AdSense setup payment account, just a little questions, and you're done with the AdSense payment account. So why is it not loading? Okay, I think because I can see it through the background. It's because I'm using the stretched full screen. Okay, let me remove that. I'm actually having a little bit problem with this, but actually just setting up a payment info is the simplest thing to do in AdSense. So thank you for connecting your site. This is where we do our connection site. So let me show you how it looks like. So this is it. It's getting ready. Verify your site ownership. That's always the first thing to do. You verify your site ownership, then do a request, a review request for your site. But these guys always take long, because they always tell you usually run some checks on your site. This usually takes a few days and sometimes takes up to 2 weeks. Okay, so sometimes takes up to 2 weeks. So I don't know. I just see about that. So okay, so that's what I was telling you about. They even put privacy policy on my website. You need a privacy policy. I don't think if I added that. So, but I don't care. This is just a setup account. So that's how AdSense looks like for guys who wants to create AdSense accounts and all of that, and get to earn up to some $70 first. Okay, so I'm done. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. I'm not doing gaming. Still looking for other games to play. Don't forget to subscribe.